Alibaba just dropped Qwen 3.8 Max, and honestly, I think most people are sleeping on this. 235 billion parameters, 36 trillion tokens, only 22 billion active, 119 languages. Let me show you everything. So, what actually is Qwen 3.8 Max? It's the flagship commercial model from Alibaba's Qwen team. Under the hood, mixture of experts. 235 billion total parameters, but only 22 billion activate per query. GPT-4 class intelligence, fraction of the compute, 8 models in the family, all open source. Apache 2.0, this is their polished production ready version. Three things set this apart from anything else. Number 1, hybrid thinking mode. Type think, deep reasoning chain of thought. No think, instant response, no overhead. You control the compute, no other model does this. Number 2, 36 trillion tokens of training, double what Qwen 2.5 had. 119 languages, properly multilingual, not just tokenized. Number 3, native MCP support, built in tool use. It's not a chatbot, it's an agent. Now benchmarks competitive with DeepSeek R1, O1, Gemini 2.5 Pro, coding, math, reasoning top tier across the board. But here's what blew my mind. Qwen 3 to 4 billion matches Qwen 2.5 to 72 billion. A 4 billion parameter model doing what 72 billion used to. The real win, cost. Let me show you 3 ways to use it. Way 1, chat.qwen.ai, free, select the model, start chatting. Second way, API, OpenAI compatible format, point at their endpoint, swap the model name, done. And the third way is run it locally. Ollama pull, Ollama run, the smaller models run on a single GPU. Think works locally too. Who should use it? Solo developers, Frontier Intelligence, Zero OpenAI Build, Agent Builders, Native MCP, less glue code. Multilingual apps, 119 languages properly trained. Anyone who wants a free GPT-4 alternative, it's real. Now that's Qwen 3.8 Max. Links in the description to everything I showed. If you are building solo, subscribe. I test every new model. Drop a comment. Does it beat GPT-4 for you? See you in the next one.